16th year anniversary.
Being fully His means living a life completely set apart for God's glory.
As we celebrate 16 years, God is calling us higher.
Kapag ho pala nabuhay ho tayo ng fully surrender sa ating Panginoong Diyos, doon din ho bumubukal ang provision ng ating Panginoon. Maging handa pa ho tayo sa malalaking mga bagay at malalaking himala na ipagagawa ng Diyos sa atin. Kinahira namin, yan po ay mapangyayari when we live a consecrated life, when we live truly and fully His.
Happy 16th anniversary! AIL Santa Maria! God be the glory! Happy 16th anniversary! AIL Santa Maria! God be the glory!
Kung ano ang mali sa Biblia, nagiging tama na sa mundo. At kung minsan kung anong tama sa harap ng Panginoong Diyos, iyon pa ang minamali ng mundo.
Truly, this gathering is not just another event. This is a milestone of God's unfailing goodness to JIL Santa Maria. So God is inviting each and every one of us not to conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of our minds. It reminds us that the greatest offering we can ever give to the Lord is not our talent. Even it's not our resources. It reminds us that our greatest gift that we can give to God is our fully and whole lives surrendered to the Lord.